Hi, it's Dr. Nicki, and I'm here to talk about number bracelets. Every classroom, K2 should have them. You can do so many great things with these. Today, we're just going to talk about composing and decomposing numbers. I've got a number bracelet. I've got 5 and 0. And now I've got 4 and 1, and they make 5. And now I've got 3 and 2, and they also make 5. And now I've got 2 and 3, and that also makes 5. And I can look at all the ways to break apart numbers to make 5, and I can look at the ways to put together numbers to make 5, and I can talk about numbers that 2 and 3 and 3 and 2 make 5, depending on the grade, and I can record all of that, right? So I'm going from the concrete to the pictorial to the abstract, recording the symbolic representation. And now I'm going to put it all together in a book. This is my number bracelet book of 4, and it has all of the ways that I made it with the pictorial representation. And then look at this. At the back, I store my number bracelet. Or I have my number 7 book. Same idea, you can store it in the front or the back. But you see my number bracelet is right here. And all the decompositions are in the little booklet. So you want your kids eventually to have all the books, right? They don't have to do them all together. Kids are working on different numbers, but they have a collection of books from 2 to 10. It's a great way to look at composing and decomposing a number at using that framework of concrete-pictorial-abstract. Remember, what the hand does, the mind remembers. That was Montessori. It was true then, it's true today. Happy mathing.